And for me, to be honest, I have particularly used speed for my interview preparation, sir. There is
Okay.
one of my seniors who is doing surgical oncology right now at AIMS Mangalgiri. So once the written exam is done, I was not very sure of how to approach for my interview preparation. Then she said, just go to speed. There are recall videos on the app. Just watch those videos and then you'll get idea. Without watching those videos, I wouldn't have been here. This is no exaggeration. To be honest, for the written exam, I did not use speed much. It was an on and off thing. I was using it for mock exams and all these things. But for interview, this was the savior. If I wouldn't have watched speed videos, probably I wouldn't have been here.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Sreyan Reddy for scoring an AML of 15 and NEES surgical oncology session in April 2026 exam. So congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Great. Doctor, can we know a brief background about yours? I mean, where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yes, sir. So my name is Dr. Sreyan Reddy. I've done my undergraduation from Gandhi Medical College, Hyderabad, sir. And then I did my post-graduation from Usmania Medical College, again in Hyderabad. And then currently I'm working as a senior resident in Usmania Medical College in the Department of General Surgery.
Wow. Great. I have very fond memories of taking classes at Gandhi Medical College for speed PG programs. So it's a great place and great environment. Now, can we know why surgical oncology as your super specialty of choice?
Yeah, the same question was asked to me even in the interview, sir. To be very honest, it's not like I'm putting down the other branches or something, but I've heard a lot of people say that plastic surgery is an art. But I truly feel it's the surgical oncology which is an art, because it's the planes of dissection, the bloodless planes, and then where even 1 or 2 millimeters can make huge difference in terms of prognosis of the patient. So for me, surgical oncology in terms of surgical skill has always felt more challenging, and then it was more interesting. That was number one. Number two, surgical oncology of all the disciplines in surgery is one branch which is very constantly evolving, sir. So if we fail to update ourselves, I think we're falling down the graph. So surgical oncology for me felt like it's more dynamic, it's more challenging, and it's the only branch where we are not just dealing with the surgical aspect, but I think we're also dealing with the medical aspect. We're also dealing with the emotional and psychological aspect of the patients. And then this is also the only specialty where multiple patients with the same diagnosis can have various treatment options. Like all cases of CA breast need not go for an upfront surgery. Some will go for upfront neoadjuvant therapy. Some will go for upfront surgery. So it depends. So all this makes the branch more dynamic. So during my peripheral postings where I had very good exposure in all the branches, somehow I drew more closer towards this branch.
Very nice. Very nice. Now,
Thank you.
once you decided to do surgical onco, what all you did to achieve this rank? What is your preparation strategy?
Yes, sir. My preparation strategy, this is my first attempt for my INISS, sir. So to be honest, I didn't do well in my NEET 2025. And then my rank was not very great. So in January, that's when I've actually decided to give my INISS very seriously. Somewhere around mid-January, that's when I've decided to start the preparation. And then I was looking for all the platforms. And then I then started shortlisting a few platforms and then started my preparation, to be honest, very seriously from February. So preparation was good for 3 months. And then for the first 1.5 month, I watched all the videos. I was collecting all the information, made notes. And then last 1.5 month, it was more about the revisions and writing the mock exams. So for anyone who is preparing for INISS surgical oncology, what I would suggest is, I think 3 months of preparation is good enough. They should focus on sticking to one source. And then I think writing mock exams is really important in surgical oncology. I don't know about other disciplines, but in surgical oncology, especially in INISS, when I watched a lot of recalls, when I saw a lot of previous year question papers, there's a tendency of repeating questions from the similar topics. So writing a lot of mock exams and watching a lot of recall videos has helped me as in which areas are important. And that is what has helped me. And again, until the seat matrix was released, I was just thinking of preparing for INISS because NEET is way too long. But then the moment I saw 7 seats in surgical oncology in AIMS New Delhi, that's when I was very desperate to make sure that I do well. And then somehow I wanted to be in top 7. But I'm still happy to be at AML 15. But that's when my drive has upsurged a lot, sir.
Very good. Very good. Well said. Now, how many questions were you able to attend this exam?
I was able to attempt all 80 questions, sir.
Great.
The
Okay.
paper felt moderate. It was not very tough. So there was no question which was out of my reach. So
Very
I
good.
took the risk of attempting all 80 questions.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Now, what will be your advice for the future aspirants of MCH surgical oncology?
Sir, I think first, any surgical resident, whatever super specialty they want to get into, I think all of them should be perfect with general surgery. That is what I would advise. If a candidate is not well versed with general surgery as a whole, that is the syllabus for NEET. I think it gets a little difficult while they're preparing for INISS because the 25 questions in general surgery is a bit unpredictable, and then we have to be well versed with all the systems, and especially for the general surgery and trauma part. And for anyone who is preparing for oncosurgery in particular, I think 3 months is very good enough. They can very well complete the syllabus in 1.5 months time, and then keep the rest 1.5 months for revisions. I think they should give a lot of mock exams. I will give a lot of importance to mock exams than doing cover to cover revisions. And for me, to be honest, I have particularly used speed for my interview preparation, sir. There is
Okay.
one of my seniors who is doing surgical oncology right now at AIMS Mangalgiri. So once the written exam is done, I was not very sure of how to approach for my interview preparation. Then she said, just go to speed. There are recall videos on the app. Just watch those videos and then you'll get idea. And then I saw videos of Dr. Karthikeyan sir and Dr. Veer Shah. And I'm telling you, they were saviors. Without watching those videos, I wouldn't have been here. So this is no exaggeration. To be honest, for the written exam, I did not use speed much. It was an on and off thing. I was using it for mock exams and all these things. But for interview, this was the savior. If I wouldn't have watched speed videos, probably I wouldn't have been here. That I
Great.
can say with very much of confidence.
So nice to know from you, doctor. And
Yes.
great. And time to thank, and whom all you want to thank, you wish to thank that they helped you from day one till date to achieve what you're today career.
So definitely, it's my parents that have been my constant source of strength and support. They've been cheering me up so well. And then I have my elder brother who's been my rock. And then I have my wife who supported me so well the last 3 months, especially. And then I have really amazing group of friends in my post graduation. So I've had very good support system, to be honest. So they have all been supporting me, and then they made sure everything was on track, especially my family and my wife. So I think without especially my parents and my wife, I wouldn't have been here today.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. And we wish you once again all the very best and all the success for a great and a wonderful career in
Thank
the
you.
specialty of surgical oncology, and to have an amazing journey. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. It's pleasure talking to you.
Great talking to you, doctor. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.